Dreaming of your first trip to Europe but don't know where to start? Don't worry. In today's video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to plan the perfect trip to Europe for the first time. First, you need to determine your travel budget. Calculate the total costs, including flights, accommodation, food, transportation, and sightseeing expenses. Don't forget to factor in exchange rates if necessary. Here's a tip: create a daily budget to help manage your expenses throughout the trip. Europe is vast, so you'll need to narrow down which region you want to explore. Are you more into Western Europe's historic cities or Eastern Europe's unique cultures? Make a list of places you'd like to visit and check the distances between them to optimize your itinerary. Also, check whether you'll need a Schengen visa and start preparing early.
To do. Another subject that vary a lot per person. What transportation you will need and where you will stay. If you go to Ireland and you're gonna go hike the mountains of Killarney, that's gonna be a completely different trip than going to Ireland and never leaving Dublin. I do research popular activities, things to do on sites like TripAdvisor or Yelp. I don't pay too much attention to the top 10s, I just see what catches my eye, and I do read a lot of reviews. The price of your flight is a big determination of your trip and your budget. So using Google Flights and apps like Hopper have been a huge help for me. Google Flights allows you to choose your flight and then help you determine the best time to purchase the ticket. You can receive an alert in your email when prices drop or go up. And where I want to stay will vary a lot depending on where I'm going. I've stayed in everything from a tent to a luxury 5-star resort. If it's not freezing outside, you could just camp the whole time. You could stay at campgrounds either free or for $20 to $30 a night. Just depends on what it is you're into. It's really just a place to shower and sleep. Consider camping, consider hostels, and of course Airbnb. Meals, what you're going to eat and drink. Well, I think there's a balance between eating out and cooking while traveling. You don't have to cook, but it will certainly save money. Before your trip, consider researching if there's local farmers market and the hours it will be open. In bigger cities, you're going to want to make reservations for those. And even if you don't need a reservation, it's still great to know where you might want to eat, because it will save you time researching it in advance instead of trying to figure out where you want to eat when you're there. It's kind of wasting time when you're on your trip. So.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Wishing you all a great day.